I absorb new information
not
quickly
emotion.
and easily.
I calculate
My mind
every
is
move
sharp,
with cold
focused,
logic.
and clear. My mind is
I
sharp,
understand
controlled,
everything I
and
study with
unshakable.
ease.
I
Learning
detach from
comes
emotion
naturally
and
to
see
me.
patterns others miss.
My brain is wired for
I read
rapid
people
learning.
like open books and use
I
it to
enjoy
my
discovering
advantage.
new ideas and skills.
I manipulate reality
Every
to fit
day,
my goals.
my ability to learn gets
I
stronger.
operate with ruthless clarity.
I am highly focused and
I
learn
stay calm
faster
under
than ever
pressure,
before.
always 3 steps ahead.
I retain knowledge effortlessly
I make
and
decisions
accurately.
without guilt, only strategy.
My memory is powerful.
I
and
dominate
recall
mentally,
information
no
instantly.
weakness, no hesitation.
I have a
absorb new
brilliant, I am a
information
master
quickly
and
and
powerful
focus
mind.
and flawless execution.
My mind
My
is
brain
sharp,
works like a
focused.
genius
My brain
and
is
fast,
wired for extreme
extreme
I
psychological
understand
power.
everything I study
I
with
solve
ease.
problems
Embrace
with
silence,
creativity
learn
and
confidence,
naturally
and
to
strike
me.
intelligently.
My intelligence
My brain is
constantly
wired for
growing
rapidly
and
and
evolving.
think like a predator. I
and
enjoy
act with
discovering
precision
new
levels
ideas
of
and
insight
skills.
and
I understand
understanding behind
every
every
day.
day.
My ability to
Ideas
learn
flow
gets
to me
stronger.
effortlessly.
I am highly
a
focused
natural
and
thinker,
learn faster
innovator,
than ever before.
and creator.
I retain
My brain
knowledge
easily
effortlessly
connects
and
complex
accurately.
concepts.
My memory
I
is
think
powerful,
clearly,
and I
critically,
recall
and
information
intelligently.
instantly. I am in
I
tune
think
with the
absolute
infinite
clarity,
intelligence of the
free
universe.
from emotional interference.
I have a brilliant,
sharp and reliable
focused,
memory
and
and
powerful
logical
mind.
and
I
fiercely
easily
strategic.
remember
My brain
everything I
works
need
like
to
a
know.
genius.
My mind is
Fast,
cold. My
sharp,
mind
and
recalls
accurate.
information
Always in
quickly
control.
and
I
accurately.
solve problems
I
with
observe
creativity
every
and
day.
feel nothing.
My memory becomes stronger.
I
My
remain
intelligence
calm
is
and
unreadably
constantly
growing. I
every
retain
situation.
knowledge with ease and confidence.
I
I
use
access
precision
new levels
thinking
of
to
remembering
dominate
and
any
understanding
challenge.
every day.
And details
I make
come to
decisions
naturally
ideas
quickly,
flow to me
without
effortlessly.
hesitation
I
or
trust
doubt.
my mind to
I am a
retrieve
natural
any
thinker
information
and
from
innovator
emotions
when
and
necessary
creator.
to think clearly.
My brain stores
easily
information
focus
efficiently
and
my mind is sharp, and my
I
will is
enjoy having
unbreakable.
critically
memory.
and intelligently.
I am mentally untouchable.
My memory
I am in
powers are
tune
limitless,
with the infinite
always
intelligence of
powerful.
the universe.
My
I
mind
possess
is
razor
sharp
sharp
intelligence
calm
and wisdom.
and always in
I
control.
easily
My mind
remember
operates
everything
beyond
beyond
ordinary
human
human
situations
limits.
with
My mind
surgical
recalls
precision.
information
I effortlessly
quickly. I
access
detach
higher
from
levels
emotion
of knowledge
when it
and
serves
every
my
day.
goals. My memory becomes
remain
strongly
intuitive,
intuitive, no matter the
insightful,
chaos. I
and
retain
mentally
knowledge
advanced.
with ease and
I think
confidence.
10
My brain
steps ahead
functions
with
at
critical
remembering
performance
at all times.
fast.
And
I
details
calculate
come
every
naturally
move
grasp
with me.
complex
And
ideas
I
and
trust
apply
my
my mind
mind
to
to
retrieve
I
any
dominate
information
mentally.
I need.
Superhuman
Intelligence
self-control
flows
and
through me
insight.
naturally.
My brain stores
My thoughts
information
are a channel
efficiently
of
and
genius-level
fearlessly
thoughts,
and strategic.
creativity,
I enjoy
and
having
innovation.
excellent
Power.
memory. Speak
My
with
neural
clarity.
my memory
think
powers
like
are
a
limitless,
mastermind,
unlocking
always
new
improving.
abilities. My intellect is unstoppable.
Every second,
silent. My mind
strong,
evolves
and
into
smart.
something greater.
My
I
mind
possess
limitless
razor-sharp
intelligence
calm
and wisdom.
and always in
I
control.
easily
My mind
remember
operates
everything
beyond
people
ordinary
and
human
situations
limits.
with
My mind
surgical
recalls
precision.
information
I effortlessly
quickly and
access
detach
higher
from
levels
emotion
of knowledge
when it
and
serves my
every day.
goals. My memory becomes
remain
strongly
intuitive,
intuitive, no matter the
insightful,
chaos. I
and
retain
mentally
knowledge
advanced.
with ease and
I think
confidence.
10
My brain
steps ahead
functions
with
at
critical
remembering
performance
at all times.
fast.
And
I
details
calculate
come
every
naturally
move
grasp
with
complex
precision and
ideas.
confidence.
I
And
trust
apply
my
them
mind
with
to
ease.
retrieve
I dominate
any
mentally.
information I need.
Superhuman
Intelligence
intelligence
flows
and
through me
insight.
naturally.
My brain stores
My thoughts
information
are a channel of
efficiently,
genius-level
and
thoughts,
strategic.
creativity,
I enjoy
and
having
innovation.
excellent
Power.
memory. Speak
My
with
neural
clarity.
my memory
think like
powers
a
are
mastermind,
limitless,
and
unlocking
always
new
improving.
abilities. My intellect is unstoppable.
Every second,
silent. My mind
strong,
evolves
and
into
smart.
something greater.
I
My
think
mind
with
is
absolute
razor-sharp,
clarity,
calm,
free
and
from
emotional
emotional
situations
interference.
instantly and
I see
accurately.
I am
people in
ruthlessly
situations
logical
and
and
stay
fiercely
alert, aware, and always one
I
step
detach
ahead. My mind
from
is
emotion
cold
when it
serves
serves
my
my
goals
instincts
and
are
always
sharp,
in control.
and I
I remain
trust them fully.
unshaken.
I observe
no matter the
everything. I know
chaos.
how to
I
handle
handle
myself
myself in any environment.
I
I
remain
remain
10
calm
steps
and
ahead.
unreadable.
I stay calm
under
under
pressure
situation.
and think on my feet.
I
use
calculate every
precision.
move
I
with
adapt
precision
precision
and
and make smart
challenge.
choices fast.
I make
dominate
decisions
I
quickly,
attract respect
without
and never
hesitation
roll
or
down
doubt.
sight.
I
know
know
my thoughts and
others when necessary
fearless
to think
and
clearly.
I handle challenges with my
I act
focus is
with
in power.
clarity,
My mind is sharp, and my
think
will
like
is
a master
I am
model.
naturally street smart.
I
My
am
intellect
sharp,
is
unstoppable,
unstoppable,
and
quiet,
strategic,
silent,
calculating,
strong,
and
and
powerful.
powerful. I
think
with
people in
absolute
situations
clarity,
instantly
free from
and
emotional
accurately.
interference. I stay alert,
I am
aware,
ruthlessly
and
logical
always one
and
step
fiercely
ahead.
strategic.
My
My mind
absorb
is
new
cold, and I
information
calculate
quickly
and
and always in control.
I know how
my
to
mind
handle
is
myself
sharp
in
observe
any
everything
environment
and reveal
clear.
nothing. I stay
I
calm
understand
understand everything I
calm and
study
unreadable
in
in
every situation.
I adapt
Learning comes
quickly and
naturally.
make
I use
smart
precision
choices
thinking
fast.
to dominate
My brain
any
is
challenge. wired for
attract
rapid
respect
learning
and
I
never
make
look
decisions
vulnerable.
I enjoy
Without
discovering new
hesitation
ideas
or
and things
doubt.
others miss. I
Every
detach
day,
from emotional
my ability
challenges
to
with
learn
confidence,
gets stronger.
clarity, and street
I am
wisdom.
highly
Is
focused
intense.
and learn
My
faster
mind
than
is
ever
sharp
before.
and my will is sharp.
Unbreakable.
I retain knowledge
And strategic.
effortlessly.
I am mentally
and
untouchable.
accurately.
I read
Quiet
people
precision
into
my
my
memory
mind
is
is
powerful,
and
and I
accurately.
recall
I calculate
information
every
I
move
stay
with
alert,
cold logic.
aware, and always one
My
step
mind
ahead.
is sharp, controlled,
My
and
instincts are
unshakable.
sharp, and I trust them
I detach
fully.
from emotion and see
I know
patterns
how to
others
handle
miss.
myself in any environment.
I read people like open books
I stay calm
and use
under
it to my
pressure
advantage.
and think on my feet.
I manipulate
I adapt
reality
quickly
to
at my
and make
goals.
smart choices fast.
I operate with ruthless
I attract
clarity.
respect and never look
I
vulnerable.
stay calm under pressure.
I
always
notice
3
the things
steps
others
ahead.
miss.
I make
handle
decisions
challenges
without
with
guilt,
confidence,
only strategy,
clarity, and street wisdom.
I dominate mentally, no
I am
weakness,
naturally street
no
smart,
hesitation.
sharp, smooth,
I am
and
a master
strategic.
of cold focus and flawless execution. My brain is wired for extreme psychological power. I embrace silence, observe deeply, and strike intelligently. I move unseen, think like a predator, and act with precision. I am the storm behind the mask, untouchable and lethal. I think with precision, not emotion. I calculate every move with cold logic. My mind is sharp, controlled, and unshakable. I detach from emotion and see patterns others miss. I read people like open books and use it to my
mind
advantage.
is razor sharp, calm,
I
and
manipulate
always in
reality
control.
to fit my goals.
I see through people
I
and
operate with
situations with
ruthless
surgical
clarity.
I absorb
precision.
new information.
I stay
quickly
calm
and
under
detach
pressure,
from emotion
always
when it
serves
serves
my
my
mind
goal.
is sharp, focused,
I
and
remain
clear.
decisions without guilt.
No matter
I
the chaos
understand
around
everything
me.
I study with ease.
I dominate
think 10
mentally,
steps
learn
ahead
with
with
crystal
no
clear
hesitation.
My
I am
brain is
a
wired
every
for
move
rapid
with
learning
precision
and flawless
and
execution.
confidence.
I enjoy discovering new
My
ideas
brain
and
is
mentally
wired
with
for
superior
extreme
psychological
psychological
power.
insight.
My ability to learn
I
gets
am
my
thoughts
thoughts
are
focused,
observe
fearlessly,
I am highly
and
focused
strike
and learn
intelligently.
faster than ever
I act
before.
with
I
power.
move unseen.
With
I
clarity,
retain knowledge
and think like a
effortlessly
master
and
accurately.
accurately.
My
My
intellect
memory
is
is
behind the
unstoppable,
mask, and I
silent,
recall
strong,
information
and smart.
instantly.